with another one. So I love what Puma's doing this year and last year, so 2020, 2021. They've been releasing crazy colorways, extremely comfortable trainers. I love it. Trainers you can wear with basically anything. These I bought because they match a tracksuit I have, plus they will go good with something I can actually show in this video because I have it next to me. So let's just get into it. So it's a pair of PUMA RSX3 Prism trainers, not Prism trainers in black and red. Size 10. Ooh, yes. There we go. Black and red. No other color. Yeah, actually no other color whatsoever. I love that. These actually remind me of Darth Maul in Star Wars, Star Trek, Star Wars. One of them, man. Yeah, these will be his trainers. Or Kane from WWE. These will be his trainers. If they wore these, they'll actually be pretty swaggy. That is amazing, man. So it's just got black midsole with a bit of red, fully red bottoms, not Louboutins. Got the little leather. Oh, they actually have mesh here, and then suede, and then leather, and then suede again, and then some type of scuba material. Suede, I was gonna say swoosh. Suede Puma logo. It's actually kind of like an upside down swoosh. Yeah, I don't know where they got that from. Another scuba material, leather. It's actually got a bunch of different materials. I like that. Mesh on the toe box, which I love, so they don't really get creased. A bit of mesh here, bit of mesh there. Leather. Oh, these are amazing, man. I really like these. Then the same as the other side again. And I really like these trainers, and I'm just going to quickly show what I'm going to be wearing them with. Personally, oh yeah, that is amazing. That is amazing. Look at that. I think that will go, well, it does go together, A1. But it's been a bit of a different one. I've introduced a football shirt or a different product in the unboxing, but that's all I really got to say. I really like these. As always, on foot to follow, and watch out for the new series, Football Shirt Fridays, which every Friday I will be talking about a football shirt I like, so one for my collection. Stay posted and take care, guys.